Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video, I'll show you a simple way on how to build an app that converts audio into text. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. Then you're going to come across this platform, Glide. Glide is a platform that lets you create custom apps without coding. So, after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to Glide. You can choose to sign up with your Google or your email address. Once you have completed the sign up process, you will be directed to your Glide account. Now, building an app that converts audio into text can be a straightforward process, especially when using no-code platforms like Glide. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create such an app. Start by opening Glide and navigating to the left menu. Click on the Templates option, which will take you to your template page. This is where you can view all of your existing templates. If you're looking for more options, click on the Template Store option to access the templates library. Within the templates library, you'll notice that the templates are neatly organized into different categories for easy browsing. There's also a search bar at the top of the page, which you can use to look for specific templates. Since we're aiming to create an audio-to-text conversion app, type audio into the search bar. Once the search results appear, choose one of the given templates. For this tutorial, let's select the second template titled Audio to Text. Clicking on this will take you to another page where you'll find two options on the right side: Create this app and Preview. Click on Create this app to proceed. You'll then be directed to the editor where you can further customize the template. In the editor, you can tailor the app's features and aesthetics as per your requirements. Take advantage of Glide's user-friendly interface to make your app as simple or as complex as you need it to be. After you've customized the app to your satisfaction, it's time to publish it. The Publish button is located at the top right corner of the editor. Click on it to make your app publicly accessible. Once published, a Share button will appear in the same location. By clicking on this button, you'll have multiple options to share your app, including through a QR code, a direct link, or by inviting users via their email addresses. And there you have it. You've just learned how to build an audio-to-text conversion app in Glide. This beginner-friendly platform makes app creation accessible and hassle-free, so why not give it a try and start creating your own apps today? To get started, simply sign up using the first link provided in the video description. Thank you for considering this option. I hope you found this tutorial useful and learned something new. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to show your appreciation. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to comment below. I will do my best to respond to all comments and provide helpful answers. Thanks for watching, and take care.